Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Cars. Take a look at this beauty, 1969 and a half, 446 pack 4-speed A12 Super Bee. Belongs to Mr. Dave Johnson. We just finished it. Well, we got to do our final polish on it tomorrow because it's loading up, I think, on Tuesday and heading out, and today is Saturday. I just want you to see that beautiful PPG F6 green. If that isn't just gorgeous when the sun hits it. It looks like pearl. If you actually look at that, it looks more like pearl rather than metallic, but I promise there's absolutely no pearl in that paint. That formula has metallic only in it besides the toners. Running a 15.8 Krager in the back, 15.7 in the front. Of course, the fiberglass lift-off hood. We did a lot of extra work to that hood to make it fit better than they did at the factory. That's what the owner wanted us to try to do, and so we did, and it came out just beautiful. See what it looks like on this side with the sun in our way. Boy, look at it. Color change difference when the sun's on it and when the sun's not on it. This is the shadow shade side. It's still a beautiful car. Get back here where you can see it. Yeah. Look at that. This car runs and drives exactly like new. We put a comp cam, mother thumper cam in it. Got a nice sound to it. I'll fire it up here in just a jiff. And we'll take it for a quick spin. How's that sound? Oh, there's my shadow. Like the groundhog, don't want to see my shadow. So let's go inside. Again, 4-speed, no tachometer, AM radio. Instrument specialties, redid our dashboard assembly. Looks brand new. Tony D'Agostino's got his reverse warning light down there. We put his original steering wheel, even with that crack in it, back on there because this is the car that his dad drove before he passed away, and that's the steering wheel he had his hands on. So let's get this thing to fire up. First thing is that reverse light should come on since I parked it in reverse. Heater's on. I'm going to shut that down. There we go. How's that sound? All right, let's take it around the block. When was the last time you got to ride shotgun in a 69 and a half A12 car? Oh, we got a freak. Yep, there they go. Make room for them. Okay. Again, trying to drive and hold the camera, probably not very smart. Got a hell of a pull to it. It just plain runs hard. It's cold today. It's about 38 degrees. So this engine just loves that air. There you go, guys. Now you can say you rode around in an A12 car. Beautiful. Stay tuned this coming season in February. You'll see this car being finished and delivered off to the owner. It's down through the mill area here where I grew up. I used to walk down here when I was a kid, get old cedar shakes that came off that green chain right there. We'd make birdhouses out of them, take them over to Saturday market and sell them. Me and Royal try to get money to buy big gulps. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.